Welcome to lesson summary. Here comes a letter. Our friends, relatives, and workplaces are spread across distant places in our country and the world. It is necessary for us to communicate with each other, even though we are in far-off places. It is not always possible to meet in person. Hence we need various methods of communication. Postal service is one such method using which you can send a letter or a parcel to your friend in a different city or town. With recent advances in technology, landline telephones, mobile phones, and emails have also become common methods to talk and communicate with other people. In all these modes of communication, it is important to know the address of the person to whom you need to communicate. In case of postal courier, you need a house address with house number. For having telephonic conversation, you need telephone number. For sending messages using email, you need email address. Remember, apart from post office, there are several other courier companies like FedEx and DHL that can deliver letters and parcels from one part of the world to another. Following are the important steps involved in the journey of a letter. Letter is dropped into the nearest post box. Postman collects the letter from post box and brings it to the post office. Post office puts all the letters heading to the same destination in a single bag after putting the stamp. This bag is brought to the train station through a van. Bags are loaded into the train and sent to the destination town or city. It reaches the post office of the destination town. Postmaster in the new destination post office sorts all letters based on area and puts a stamp. The area postman delivers the letter to the house mentioned in the address. You can avail following services from post office. You can buy postcards, inland letters, envelopes, and stamps. You can also send letters, gifts and parcels of various sizes to your loved ones. Post office also acts as bank, where you can keep your money safely. With this we have come to the end of lesson summary. Here comes a letter.